Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be unboxing the March budget box for Plouise. I am so excited. This is a really good one. So let's get straight on with today's video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and let's get started. As I said, this month is such a good one. So for the March budget boxes, it's her Easter themed budget box. This one is so different. This is actually what made me subscribe last year from seeing her Easter one. She did a massive egg with like the liners and different bits inside, and that's what made me subscribe. This month is incredible. This is what the actual box looks like, and this year it is a tin for Easter. I am so obsessed. So there were 3 different tins that you could get. These are actually available on the Plouise website, however they were better value when you bought them with the budget box. So this one says, how do you like yours? I like mine, hard to crack chick. So this one is the chocolate one. I'm just obsessed with packaging. I think it is so nice. So when we open it up, you actually get so much in here. I do think this is probably one of the best value budget boxes I've ever had. So when we open it up, this is little first impressions of what it looks like. You can see these little polystyrene hearts, which are so cute. It's just the extra details that she puts in for me that just make these kind of things so special. So I'm just gonna get things out one at a time. First one we've got here. So pretty. I have already had a little sneak peek at all this because I just couldn't wait. So first we've got the Dream a Little Dream Chock Full of Ambition palette. This looks so nice. I was a little worried because with these you don't actually get to choose, you know, light, medium, deep for the skin tone. But I think this one might be alright. So this is a face palette. When we open it up, this is what it looks like. We've got a nice little mirror at the top. Get rid of this protector. You've got a bronzer here, which should be about perfect for me. You've got a highlight. You've got this coral blush, which looks stunning. And we've also got this one here, which is like a pinky highlight. It's like a blush highlight, kind of like hybrid. Let's do a quick swatch of them all. So that is the bronzer, which looks so nice. Oh wow, look at that highlight. Let's just swatch that on the back of my hand. That is so pretty. Let's look at that blush there, the corally blush, that's so pretty. And then finally, the other highlight. That is perfect. That is such a nice palette. I got a face palette from Plouise from a budget box maybe about 5 months ago, 6 months ago now. Unfortunately, it was for deep skin, so it wouldn't have worked for me at all. But this one looks perfect. I'm so excited to use this. I've literally just done a video where I filmed a full face of Plouise, which will be going up probably next week for you guys. And I'm so frustrated because the things that I found in my budget box I could have used in the video. So I may have to do a full video just trying these new products out. So if you want that, do let me know in the comment section. Then we've got, so this is now what it looks like. Then we've got, let's have a look. We'll go for this one next. So this is a body glow. I'll be honest, I might start putting some of these in a giveaway because from the budget boxes I've had so many body glows from Plouise that I physically won't be able to get through them all, and I don't want them to go to waste, so I might start sticking them in giveaways. So this is the Glossy and Glazed Magic Milk Moments. This looks really nice. I haven't actually opened this. I don't know if I'm going to put this one in a giveaway yet, so I don't want to open it and break the seal, but it looks really nice. I do like her body glows. I'm imagining this is going to smell of chocolate. So that is that one. I really like that. So now this is how it's looking in here. Next, we're going to go in with this one here because I'm so excited to try this. I haven't tried it yet. So this is one of her lip oils. So when she announced these, she said they're coming in 3 different, you know, scents, flavours, whatever you want to call them. Dark chocolate, milk chocolate, and a white chocolate one. I was low-key hoping I'd get the white chocolate, only because that is my ultimate favourite product from her, is her white chocolate lip oil and lip conditioner. They smell incredible. But once I opened mine up, I realised I'm so glad to get the one that I've got because now I can try the different one. Because this is now the chocolate lip oil. So if I'd have got the other one, I'd have had the white chocolate lip oil twice. I'd have had 2 of those. So I'm excited to try a different one. And it actually does smell really nice. I went to the Plouise headquarters the other day and I actually tested out the regular chocolate lip oil, lip conditioner and the lip balm, and they do smell so good. So this is what it looks like. Oh, this is a tinted one. Oh, it's quite a dark tint. It's got like an orangey brown kind of nudie tint to it. Smells so good. It smells so similar to the white chocolate one, just not quite as sweet. It smells so good. Honestly, I'm obsessed with the smell of these. The white chocolate and the apple are definitely my favourites, but this one now, definitely one of my new favourites. So next thing we've got is actually something that I said in my full face of Plouise video the other day that I really needed for a long time from Plouise, and that was frustrating that I couldn't use in my full face video. Literally the day after I filmed that video, it arrives in my budget box, which is a Plouise primer. So this says that it's a smoothing primer and it's called Smooth It Over and Airbrush It Out. And it says that it's in pink. So I'm actually really intrigued by this, so we're going to try our best to get into this and try it out. Okay, this is what the packaging looks like. There we go. It's got a little seal on the lid. Anyone that hasn't been to Plouise headquarters yet, I definitely recommend it if you are into makeup and things like that. It is just so beautiful. Wow, there's a lot more liquidy than I was expecting. It's just so beautiful there, and you literally get to try every single product out before you buy now. I'm not really sure what that smells of, but it does smell quite nice. Oh, that feels so nice. It's like a mixture between a pore primer and a hydrating primer. Oh, wow. Oh my days. That feels amazing. I'm obsessed with that. It's kind of got a tiny bit of a greasy feel to it, but I really don't think that'll make a difference to your skin at all. It just feels hydrating. It's kind of giving it a really nice glow as well. I love that. I'm actually obsessed with that. I think that's going to be one of my new favourite primers. Okay, next we've got, I can't believe how much we've actually got. We've currently unboxed 4 items and we've still got another 2 to go. Like, this one was definitely a winner of a box. So next one we've got is another product by Plouise that I didn't have yet, and I don't think she'd created until now. I could be wrong, but I've never seen one by her, which is a setting spray. So this one is a chocolate one again, and it says Sweet Sparkle Ready Set Shine Setting Spray. I really want to try this because I'm really intrigued by the fact that it's like brown. I've never seen a brown setting spray before, but when we give it a shake, you can like see all the sparkle and shimmer that go around the bottle, which is so pretty. Okay, I'm just going to spray this onto my hand, I think. Okay, so you don't really see the brown too much. I can see a couple of little bits of brown, but it smells quite nice. Okay, I kind of want to try that on my makeup, but I'm kind of scared. Just with it being a brown setting spray, I'm really scared of like ruining my makeup and having like brown splodges all over me. Let's just do it anyway, let's try it. It hasn't changed my makeup at all, but it does feel really nice and cooling on there. Got quite a nice fine mist. Guessing it gives you a bit of a glow. I quite like that. It's got a scent, but I just don't know what of. It smells nice. It smells really nice though. Yeah, that was really, really interesting. I was kind of scared to try that, but that's actually so interesting as that one. Okay, the final one we've got. I'm really intrigued to try this. So we've got the Drive Me Balmy lip set. This, I have one of these already in watermelon. However, I didn't completely get on with it because it felt like it was quite plumping, which I thought was a little bit strange for a lip balm, just a regular lip balm. So this is the One More Piece My Addiction chocolate lip balm set. Let's have a look, let's open it up. I'm tempted to take this lip off and try it just to see what it's all about. Should we do that? I'm just going to take my lip off and try it, because why not? I'm actually wearing the NYX lip today and I'm obsessed with the formula, it's so nice. So when we open it up, this is what it looks like. Get 2 different products in here. You get the Balmy For You lip balm, and then you also get the Balmy For You, what is that? It's the pen, but I don't know what it's called. It doesn't say, it's the pen, and you get the lip balm and the pen basically. So let's open the lip balm first. This is what it looks like with the applicator. There we go. So I'll be honest, when I first got this, when I got it yesterday, I did have a look at it. And I wanted to try it out just to like smell it and see what the formula was like. And when I did, look at how much I had to like squeeze out to get any product to come out. Like that felt like a lot. Like it took a lot of squeezing to get any product out. Oh, that smells so good. That smells really, really, really nice. Do you know what I mean? But I feel like it's like my first time using it, and I feel like I've already used so much product out of here. It takes a lot of squeezing to get any out. It does smell really nice. It smells so chocolatey. I like that. That feels really nice so far. I'm just hoping it doesn't have that plumping effect, 'cause I don't know why, but the other one did, and I just wasn't expecting it. Not a massive girly when it comes to like plumping things. The tingling, it does have the plumping effect. Like if it warned you and said this is a plumping lip balm, fair enough, but it doesn't warn you, it doesn't say that anywhere. It just says my addiction and then says what ingredients are, and then the one more piece and says what the ingredients are, and it just says moisturising lip balm. To me, this isn't moisturising, this is plumping. My lips are tingling, my lips are literally on fire. I don't really get it. I don't get it at all. Okay, I'm going to wipe it off because my lips are like tingling like crazy right now, and I'm not trying to plump my lips. And B, I'm going to try the other one. But I don't get it. I just personally don't get why it's like that and doesn't, you know, warn you. Like, surely she'd be using that as a selling point. It's a plumping lip balm. Surely that'd be a selling point, but no. I don't know. I'm not always a massive fan of the plumping ones, unless I'm doing it for a specific reason or to try it or to be a plumping product. I'm not massively fond of them. They feel really strange, and to me sometimes it's like, just feel very strange. So this is what the other one looks like. I love the little heart on the end. It's just like the watermelon one, and you just press this button to get the product to come up. This one is a brown one, so it feels more on theme than the pink of the other one. Still tingling a bit, I'm not gonna lie. Let's try this. Oh, I love the texture. I love the way that's just gone straight onto my lips. It's just like gliding on. That feels so much nicer for the texture than the other one. Love that. It smells so good. Let's just see if this one ends up tingling like mad. I can still feel the other one a little bit, but it is starting to fade now, so I'm hoping this one doesn't. We've got a bit of a winner with this one. I'm just not a massive fan of it. I don't know why, but just plumping lip balms don't always do it to me. Not always the one. You can definitely see that my bottom lip has definitely plumped up from that first one, but I don't think this one's doing it. I can't feel any sort of like tingling from this one, unless it's just there from the old one, so I don't know. I don't know. But I definitely prefer that to the first one. Though I just can't believe how much you're actually getting in this box. It's crazy. I think for me, I probably won't be using the first one out of the Drive Me Balmy set, but the second one I'll definitely be using because I've not had any sort of like tingling effect from that. The lip oil, I am obsessed with. It's incredible. Do you know what? I'll stick some lip oil on now that I've taken my lip off. Oh, I think it's got a little bit of sparkle in it. Yeah, that's a bit sparkly. Love it. Look at how glossy they are. They're so hydrating. And they just look so pretty. I love that. I really do. So yeah, I've had no effect from that one now. It's kind of set for a couple of minutes. Definitely had no effects from that, so that was good. I can't believe how much we've got. I genuinely can't, and I say it every single month, but I keep thinking about just letting go of my subscription. Mainly because like I have so many different subscriptions that just add up every month, you know, when you've got like £5 here, £10 there, the £30 for this one, like you've got different bits that do add up. But every single month she blows me away, and I can't bring myself to get rid of the subscription because it is so good. And for the amount of money I spent, £30, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products for £30, so you're basically paying £5 per product. Which honestly, you're not going to be able to get these products at £5 on her website. So you are getting the best deal. It's so good. Plus you get a tin as well, which is so cute, and you'll be able to keep that. I'll definitely be using that for storage because it's so cute. But thank you so much for watching this video. That is my full video on the Plouise budget box for March 2024. I do find it strange saying March 2024 when we are in April, which always does them like a month behind, if that makes sense. But thank you so much for watching. If you've got any video requests, do let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!